Far, far away in a small rural town, a family of 5 plus a sheepdog are enjoying a late-night dinner. They look happy and content, safely tucked away from all the dangers of the world. The mother, a talented but struggling artist, is preparing her most ambitious work.
It's nice. Are they all brown?
The father is out providing for the family on a 15,000-ton fishing boat.
Hugsaðu, svo grár. Okay. Í grár?
The children are privileged with the freedom of running around without a care in the world, living in perfect harmony with nature, whatever that means. There are no far-right extremists or murderers in this film. Only normal people with normal feelings and normal problems.
Píka.
Mér fannst það ekki fyndið.
We are interested in the small everyday things like hiking, washing a dog, snow, food, frozen fish, rubber boots, the seasons, orcas, summer dress, Jeanne d'Arc,
Segir að maðurinn er aumingi, Hulda. Ég á eftir að berja hann.
humor, sex, or lack of it. All of the things that really matter. But underneath all of this, there is something hidden. Something that we don't understand. Something ancient. Animal. A dark secret.
Drafst hann?
We just made a film called The Love That Remains. Check it out. We really like it.
Já, hún er að gefa mig putta núna. Við erum að helsa þér líka tilbaka.
You can also go see something else. It's okay.